Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer Ethereum from crypto.com to Coinbase. First of all, open your Coinbase. Once the app is opened, you have to click on receive. From this section, you have to choose your coin. In this case, we will choose Ethereum. Click on it. And then this page will open. It will show you a QR code and also it will show you an address of your Ethereum wallet. You have to click on the address and the address will be copied to your clipboard. Once the address has been copied, all you have to do is open your crypto.com application on your phone and then you have to click on transfer. And then you will see two options, deposit and withdraw. You have to select withdraw. And then a pop-up window will appear. It will show you multiple options. From here, you have to choose external wallet. Click on it. And if you haven't already added your Ethereum wallet in the crypto.com app, all you have to do is click on the plus button on the top right corner and search for Ethereum. From here, you have to paste your Ethereum address, which we have just copied from Coinbase. And you can also give any name to your wallet. Once done, you have to click on continue and make sure ERC20 is selected. Now your wallet has successfully been added to crypto.com, and then all you have to do is click on withdraw Ethereum, and then you have to enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to withdraw from Coinbase. Before you withdraw your amount, I want to suggest you to test a small amount before. If everything is fine, then you can start and make a withdrawal of your whole amount. And then click on withdraw. And after that, you have successfully transferred Ethereum from crypto.com to Coinbase. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget